Odoo POS Tutorial 2025, How to use Odoo POS for Beginners. Now, Odoo POS is a web-based device agnostic system tailored for retail stores, restaurants, events, and more. It works pretty much online or offline. It is fully synced with inventory and accounting and integrates seamlessly with other Odoo modules like CRM over here, e-commerce, and pretty much more. But to pretty much get started, you can pretty much log into Odoo directly, then directly go to the apps. Point of sale is one of the main apps you can find, so it's pretty much right here. But if I want to go ahead and do so, it's still right here at the sales section and the POS shop. Once you're there, in directly to your apps, and once you have logged in as well, you can go ahead and pretty much get started. So make sure you've already started up. You can go ahead and meet an advisor pretty much, but you can also start for free. You can start a session as well in the POS dashboard. Once you have it, you'll enter the opening cash amount and then launch the POS interface. You can go ahead and do adding products. You can set customers. You can do a process for your payment. With that, there's also the return and refunds. You can manage your cash and close session, or there's even a retail and restaurant and event use cases. So barcode scanning, promotions, multi-device, and store support. All of those features will be available to be learned directly in Odoo. But to get there, all you have to do is just go ahead to Odoo and go to the point of sale app. Other than that, there's advanced setup and features you can go ahead and try in Odoo, like the inventory integration, the loyalty and gift cards, customer receipts and journals, and hardware support. But other than that, there's multiple features you can go ahead directly use in the point of sale app in Odoo. You go ahead and try them all. It's very user friendly, but hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.